Hey all, let's dive in with the lighting key. Now remember, the lighting key is a basic summary of light in the world of the play. It is the conglomeration of all the sources or washes of light that we are going to be using on stage and our realistic intention for that. Its purpose is to indicate many things about the lighting design, including the direction, color, and angle of the lighting systems used in the production. In addition, it can provide information about practicals or specials that are available, as well as channel information. Now, a quick segue into logistics. The lighting key that you're looking at on the screen is not the lighting key that we have been working with thus far in class. The one you've been working with in class is the personalized custom one that fits the world you have created throughout your research and concept. If you were designing this number on a full stage as a full production, your lighting key would be what you use as the foundation for the light plot that you would create for the space. And we are going to look at that again if you want to continue with the light plot project as we mentioned in the last video. But for now, everyone else for this project and for the remainder of the semester, we are going to focus on the lighting key that you see on the screen. This lighting key is a representation of what is actually on the Stage Center Theater that we as a group will be using for the remainder of the Realized Lighting project. Now, a quick reminder about the lighting key. The lighting key is a representation of all lighting washes used, all systems together, each one represented by one of the arrows on the drawing. But it is in relation to one typical area on stage. All right? The actor is drawn at the center of the lighting area and the audience at one side as a representation of what the entire washes look like and what they'll be focused on in relation to both. So, for instance, this line here represents the warm face wash from the stage left side. It represents the general angle and direction of one light wash, and the entire system is created by replicating this one instrument or line to each area on stage. All right? Now, thankfully, for the rest of this project, we will realistically only be lighting the mannequin in one of the areas on stage. So in this case, the lighting key is actually a pretty solid representation of the lighting instruments and channels that will be available for the entire project. Like all aspects of lighting design, as you go, you'll start to develop your own style for how you like the layout of a lighting key, as well as what information you want to include. All right, now let's take a minute and step through each of the lighting systems, each represented by one of the arrows shown, and see what's available. And I'll go over a few tips as we go for how they can be used. In addition to looking at the lighting key, though, I want to spread things out a bit and take a look at what it actually looks like on stage, as well as how it's going to look in the lighting board so you can go back and look through this section again as your work gets more in depth. The first system is an incandescent front face wash. This particular wash has no gel in it, or is no color, and represents a smidgenly steeper than 45-degree angle from above, creating slightly more shadows on the face than a 45-degree angle would, as a more purgatory feeling light from above, while still maintaining its usefulness for visibility. The second system is an incandescent stage right cool face wash. This cool blue color is R60, or Roscoe 60 for those playing along at home. And it is specifically at a 45-degree angle from above for a smooth look with a color that allows it to be featured more prominently in those lost, lonely, cool types of moments. The third system is an incandescent stage left warm face wash. The warm wash is RO2. Also at a 45-degree angle from above, but the warm amber color can be featured helpfully in healthy, loving, warm moments. The fourth system is an incandescent top-back wash. Also a no-color wash for the same reason as the front light system. This one is great for creating stark, stoic silhouettes. A little tip, for moments when visibility is important, try to keep this top wash about 10 to 20% dimmer than the face washes that you are using at the same time, or vice versa for a more stoic silhouette look. The last incandescent system is a rear gobo wash. This system is great for creating textured silhouettes where beams of light are visible in the air. This is also the one I specifically mentioned being able to be customized in color and gobo for each design, so remember the flexibility that this system offers. The remaining systems available are LED color washes, of which there are 4 different ones available. Each has a full range of colors available from RGBA color mixing, and all are hung at a slightly shallower angle than the face light at 60 degrees from above. This allows saturate color to fill in shadowed spaces, creating a clean fill from all sides. An LED color wash is available from directly downstage, directly upstage, directly stage left, and directly stage right as shown. As for specials practicals available for this production, we have two to go over. The first is simply house lights, which, as we remember, are used for the audience's arrivals, exits, or any other time that the theater house is active during the production. The second is a star drop, far upstage, and can be used to help create dynamic evening sequences. That's it. Let's take a second and have a summary recap. 1. The lighting key is the basic summary of all lighting systems or sources of light that are available to be used in creating the world of the play, including practicals and specials. 2. The lighting key's main purpose is information, including basic examples, direction, color, and angles of light that are represented by arrows. 3. The lighting key is a representation of all lighting washes used, but in relation to the one typical lighting area on stage. 4. Like we looked at in class, incandescent lights are great for comfortable human-looking washes, while LEDs create stark, colder-feeling washes. A shifting balance of the two can create infinite number of feelings and looks on stage. That's it for now. The lighting key shown in the video can be found on D2L in the content section. There are no assignments associated with this video. Thanks so much for your patience. Have a great day. Thank you. Thanks so much for your patience. Have a great day. Thank you. Alrighty.